Okay, it's Saturday morning here. I'm going to try and get this painted this weekend now. I started my barbecue, I know it was a Tuesday. I done one day in that, didn't get on Wednesday. And then Thursday I thought I would start back on this van again just so I'd have it ready, because I thought I'd be able to get it painted today. But Thursday my plan was to put forward stripes down the bonnet, up the bumper and down the cab, you know. And I bought 3M tape that you put down and you peel away, and it gives the kind of pinstripe. And I was going to have the bumper together, so I wanted to paint this white. So when I put the bumper together, it'll be painted under. And so I thought I'd do a test piece on the old bonnet. I just sanded it down quick. I primed it. I put my forward white down all over it. And then I masked it up before the colour. And the tape, I'll show you what happened after I get this painted. And I'll show you the tape. It's absolute shite. It was 3M tape. And I'm glad I done the test piece, because it would have fucked up the whole paint job on it. And my good gun wasn't put together right. It has to be put together perfect or it doesn't work right. It was blowing bubbles back up into the paint pot. And it was giving me stripes. So I hopefully have all that sorted now. So that was Thursday. I came out here yesterday. I sanded this bonnet down with 500, and then I went over with 800. I done the same on that, the bumper and the two side bumper pieces. So all that's done. So my plan now is to do the wing the same way, and I might go a bit heavier on the roof and the back, just to get it done quick. And I want to put the bonnet together, or the bumper together. And because this panel here, I think this is going to be white coming down here. And then where that line is, I'm going to match stripes along here and around the corner with my colour. So yeah, that's next thing I do now is going to start sanding this. I won't bother recording it because my videos seem to be just full of sanding, and I'm sick of looking at myself, so it's everyone else's. So yeah, I'm just going to go over the sand and that, and then I'll come back, might be tomorrow. I need to paint at midday because the flies, they're flying around the place this hot weather. It seems between 11 and 2 when it's the hottest, there's no flies. In the shed, there's none in it. So that's why I moved up to this shed. I was going to paint in the other one where I have more room, but with the light in here, just so I can get the clear on a bit better, the clear coat, and there's less flies in here. So what I might do tomorrow morning is, even today, I might spray something in here just to kill anything that's in the eave gutters or in the eaves. And I have a small bit of white to do yet on the ramps and stuff. I'll just see how it goes. Alright, so I don't know where the next bit of the video will be. You'll see in about 2 seconds. Alright, it's Sunday morning here now. I started at 8:30 sand that yesterday, and I don't know how it took so long. I was here till about 6. I think I stopped for half an hour just to eat something. It was just constant sand. It took fucking ages. I made a couple of mistakes here where I've rubbed through here, and I'm going to test. Once I get the first coat on, it should be alright. I'm going to do a light. I need to try and remember. I normally forget this stuff. I want to put a light coat there first, starting off, just to see does it flare up, and if it does, I'm going to stop, sand it, and prime it, and then do it again during the week another time, like there as well. That could react with the solvent. So I'm ready to get going here. I'm just waiting for a bit longer. It's Sunday morning. I think it's about 11:30. I just want to wait for people to get out of bed. That compressor's outside and there's houses around me. I don't want to be waking people up if they're sleeping in. And my plan here is to blow it down, give it a quick wipe. I mightn't show this in the video, or I'll see how it goes. I'm going to blow it down with air and give it a quick wipe just to get the dust off. I'm going to pull all this out, sweep the floor. The last time I painted in here, I put plastic sheeting on the floor, but this time I think I'm just going to soak it and see how that goes. So I'm running a bit low on plastic sheeting, but it does work fairly good. I'll see how it goes though first. Then I'm going to put that truck back a small bit further. The reason I have it there is because I wanted that light to be shining on the back, so when I'm spraying the clear coat I can see where it's going. But I'm going to go back a bit further, just to give me a small bit of room up there. because I need to try and tape that bumper up once I get the white on it before I do the colour. So I'm going to leave it there now. I might go get some to eat and then I'll come back out and get started on this. Okay, that's the white on there. Came out really good. That's all that masked up, ready to go now. It's not great. I think I'll probably have to do it again when it's on the truck. But I'm just going to leave it like that and have a go with it. So now it's time for the colour. So I'm going to leave that video there. If anyone can guess the colour in the next 3 days, I'll send that out to them till the next video comes up. I have beer, stubbies. Family not, friends not included, because I know you fucking know. Alright, good luck. Like and subscribe if you like the videos. Cheers.